The following verbs take infinitive to plus V1 words after them. For example, 1. Tell and ask. Sentences. Customer tell or ask from manager to show me some comfortable room in this hotel. Child tells truth to punish the man who harassed a girl. Mother asks her husband to bring her for shopping this weekend. 2. Invite. Sentences. Dr. Zain invites all his batchmates for his wedding to send card them. Zainab Qureshi invites the batcha party to celebrate her birthday function. 3. Persuade and encourage. Sentences. Mother encourage her son to do painting. Teacher persuade his weak students to participate in the physical activities. 4. Order. Customer order the waiter to bring wine with meal. Zain ordered T-shirt to wear his friend's farewell party. 5. Advise. Mother advise her daughter not to respond to any misbehave reaction. Parents give advice to their child to come early at home. 6. Remind. Planning a day remind you what to do and what not to do. Mohammed Zain pastes all his dream pictures in front of his wall that remind him to achieve the task. 7. Warn. Government warns people not to enter this house because it has been sealed after finding dead body here. Thank you for being here.